Well, Biogen IDEX's strong results are just one example of the overall strength and continued growth in biotechnology companies. So what's behind the surge in biotech and what's next for the sector? Meg Tirrell takes a look.
Biotech's been on an incredible run, and the question everyone keeps asking is, when does it end? The Nasdaq Biotech Index has returned more than triple the S&P 500 in the last 3 years. 2014 set a record for initial public offerings, blowing out even the big bubble year of 2000. And this year, so far, the momentum continues. This week, 10 healthcare companies are planned to go public on the Nasdaq. 3 start trading today. And last week, biotech companies raised $2.6 billion in secondary offerings, according to RBC Capital Markets. Analysts and investors say at some point, the market won't be able to absorb more deals.
We've seen a plethora of deals over the last few weeks, the first couple of weeks of January. And it's sort of been a mixed bag. Some of the offerings have been successful, some haven't. And that suggests that maybe either a waning appetite or just a limit to the capacity of biotech analysts to research companies quickly enough to make investment decisions.
But we might not be at the end just yet. Biotech bulls point to a couple things driving momentum. The FDA approved 41 new drugs last year, a record number. Mergers and acquisitions have been on a tear, and technology, particularly in genetics, has vastly improved. President Obama has even invited the heads of research at several drug makers to the White House tomorrow to discuss investments planned to improve health and treat disease.
There are a number of areas that, quite frankly, where we have brand new cures for things we didn't have before. So that's really fueled the excitement.
So while there are questions about the end to biotech's run, optimism is still winning the day. Of 18 CEOs interviewed at the JP Morgan Healthcare Conference earlier this month, only 2 said we're in a bubble. And all of them said they expect biotech to outperform the broader market again in 2015. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Meg Tirrell.